Go, Stacey, go.
Welcome back. We are joined by one of Jamaica's most iconic dancehall dancers, John Hype. And he's going to be introducing us to the new dance, the creator of the new dance, Shankle Dip. Shankle Dip, welcome.
All right. You know, for the younger viewers in the audience and watching, what are the dance moves each other make? Because you know, so we have to keep them updated and make them know. Go on.
Well, I know them know Pond the River.
He knows Pond the River. He was
Signal the
doing
plane.
Can't do it till them shoes already.
Yeah.
Them know higher level.
Yes.
Yes.
So we just keep it that, because that is the problem now. I would like the youths them to learn from that time to this time. Not from this time to no, I don't know where the time is going. You see me?
So you're going to be teaching, because I was saying earlier that a lot of the dances we do now are some of the dances from that time that people just rename. It's very similar to some of the dances that John Hype would have created, and people think that,
I like how you
it's
said
brand
that,
new.
and not me said that.
I'm telling you, it's not brand new. It was there. Yeah, I know what I'm Shanko. Thank you. Not many people say
Roots
that.
and the history, you know?
And yes. So, how did you meet John Hype, Shanko did?
It was Shelly Belly, you know.
Shelly Belly?
Yeah, come here.
You know, something that come to mind a while ago.
You know, Shelly Belly I come from school days, so we always keep a band there.
Yeah.
Nice.
So we play football until I see him like that dancing thing there. We should it in a way, cause the ball game, you know?
Yeah.
So he must say, John Hype, he might roll it, cause John Hype and Bogla do it big, you know? So I just saw the gym there, I say, all right then. That's it there, you know.
Yeah, man.
So it was big up to Shelly Belly, cause whenever him, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And I mean, you know, John Hype one of the first person to start this dance I'll go on tour thing, you know. So we have to make them know that as well.
Yeah.
Make them know that
Truly icon.
All right, so you're going to show us some stuff, okay? And as you show, we try to do. Notice, try
Yes, yeah,
to do.
You can do,
It's the shoes, Stacey, but we can take off the shoes. You take off the shoes.